Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, I wanted to kind of share a conversation I just had with a real estate agent because there's a common myth out there that your business is actually going to get better if you keep doing the same thing. We obviously know that's not the case. You've probably heard the statement before, time heals all wounds, right? Time does not fix all real estate businesses. As a matter of fact, if you're not making drastic changes, don't expect drastic changes. I can't tell you how many agents I talk to that just keep doing the same thing over and over. And the problem is with our roller coaster of income that so many of us experience, a good month followed by a bad month, followed by a good month, it's all about cash flow for those real estate agents. And the problem is they make all of their investment decisions or the things that they're doing for their real estate business, they make it based on their current cash flow situation. If they've had a couple of closings, all of a sudden they're willing to invest in themselves. If they haven't, they're not willing to invest in themselves. And let me tell you something. If you don't have consistency in your business, you will never have consistency in your business. It's not going to be better next year. Come New Year's Eve, you can't be all excited and have a new goal. My New Year's resolution, I'm going to sell more houses. Well, how in the hell are you going to do that? Because you hope that it happens? Because you're going to call some of your past clients or maybe try another lead generation system? It's not going to get you there. Time will not fix your business. You're going to wake up 10 years, 20 years in this business and still have the same financial situation. Still be dealing with debt and still be nowhere near the retirement income that you need. The reason this comes up and the reason I'm talking to so many agents about this here recently is I'm working on a webinar training to show the path of what a lot of these successful agents are doing. And many of you know I work with an awful lot of agents that are doing extremely well. They were struggling before we got together, but they're doing well now. And that's great for them and that's great for me. But the reason it's important for you is I'm going to show you, I'm going to document what they're doing. I'm going to show you the 3 transitional paths that they take, the 3 transitional models that they put in place so they can get themselves to a position that they have that consistent revenue. They're closing enough business. They can pay down all of their debt. And then most importantly, get themselves to a position that they are financially secure and they can look at some form of retirement. There's really 4 versions that you have in selling your real estate business or handing it off to someone else and that type of thing. So we're going to be covering that on there because I can't tell you how many agents struggle with cash flow issues over and over and over. And all of the choices they make in life, they have to ask their checkbook for permission. Can I afford to do that right now? Well, you asking your checkbook today, that's a direct reflection on what you've done the past 90 days. So it doesn't matter how hard you work. There's no pride in saying, I work really hard as a real estate. How about if you work less? How about if you work 30 to 35 hours a week and make 5 times what you're making right now? It's not going to happen by happenstance. It's not going to happen by maybe next month or wait a year or when the time is right for me. It will never ever be right until you make it right. So that webinar is coming up on Thursday. You can register for it for free at wealthyagentplan.com. I'm doing it one time. I'm not doing it anymore. You can join for free. But again, there's a path that you can specifically follow. My goal for you, stop buying all kinds of lead generation and software and all of this crap that's out there. I want you to get yourself to a position that you're making a lot more money as a real estate agent. And that's only going to happen if you understand the path that will get you there. The checklist you need to do every day, the step-by-step marketing plans that you need to have in place. Has nothing to do with me. I just want to document what other successful agents are doing around the country and share that with you. So again, we'll be doing it at wealthyagentplan.com. You'll probably see it in the description here as well. Click on that or go to that website. Again, I said the other day, if you have Internet Explorer, for some reason when you go to that website, it doesn't work, just hit the refresh button and it pops up. Something about some weird redirect, who knows. But Thursday, we'll be doing this training, and there's going to be 1,000 agents on the call. It will cap out. We're capped at 1,000 agents, and I think it'll make a big difference for you because, again, time heals all wounds. Time does not heal your business. Your business will never get better until you decide to make it better. I'm going to show you how to do that. You don't have to buy a bunch of crap. You don't have to sign up for all the stuff that people are trying to sell you all the time. Let me show you a path, a blueprint that actually makes sense. Get joined up, wealthyagentplan.com. We'll plan on talking to you soon. I'm Greg Luther, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.